in today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these two amazing whipped coffees. The first one here is an iced coffee. Check that out. Look at that. Yum. And the second one, I have a whipped coffee with warm milk. Stay watching and I will be right back.
I've been pushing work all summer.
Alright guys, so let's dive into this, okay? So I'm starting off with my instant coffee and my sugar and my hot water, and that's all I'm gonna need for this. First things first, I'm gonna have 2 tablespoons of instant coffee. Next, I'm gonna drop in 2 tablespoons of sugar, and you guys can use whatever sweetener you would like. 2 tablespoons of hot water. Now using my hand blender, you guys can use a whisk, but I'm gonna use my hand blender. I'm gonna blend this for about 3 to 4 minutes or so. An iced coffee that's gonna be whipped, and I'm also gonna make just a regular coffee with using warm milk. Guys, you can use almond milk, you can use whatever you want to use. I had in the refrigerator whole milk, and that's exactly what I used for this. But you can use whatever you want to for this recipe. And all I'm gonna do is dollop a little bit of this mixture inside. And it's that simple. So this is my just regular warm milk and a little dollop of that. Now I'm gonna do the other one with a little bit of iced milk. I'm gonna put a little bit of ice at the bottom. I'm gonna put a little bit of milk inside. It's about a half a cup I'm gonna put inside here. And I'm gonna use the rest of my mixture for this. I think I'll put a little more milk inside. There we go. Yeah, just a little bit more milk. And then we're gonna dollop the rest of this inside here. Now my house smells amazing with all this coffee aroma. It's yummy in here. Now for my iced coffee, I went ahead and I dolloped just a tad bit more of that instant whipped coffee inside here, simply because it's ice and I'm probably gonna drink on this for a longer time. So I dolloped a lot more because when the ice starts to melt, it's going to have a little more flavor inside there. And my warm coffee, this is probably gonna be for just, right now, just to get me over just to get me going like the little train. So let's jump into this and tell you how it tastes. But I want you to totally look at this. I'm gonna mix the warm milk up right now. Look at that. I love the separation going on. So we still have it. I have yet to mix it, but a little bit is going into the milk. Let's go ahead and let's just scoop it up. This is good. This is really good. It's so nice and frothy. This is really good, guys. You've got to give this a try. And especially if you are a coffee lover, oh yum. Now, I am really an iced coffee lover, so that's my thing. I love iced coffee, and having this whipped instant coffee mixed on top, yum, yum, yum. I'm gonna have to find a straw today. Oh my word. I think I'm just gonna go for it and just drink it and get a little mustache. Look at that. Yum! Oh, amazeballs. I'm gonna go for for it and get that mustache, guys. Wow. Totally delicious. This thing tastes to me like one of those ice drinks that you can, you know, the ones you pay $4 or $5 for? You know those, what I'm talking about. This tastes even better than those. And the most important thing is it was free, F-R-E-E. Yum. For the iced whipped coffee, if you want it to be a little bit stronger, you're gonna have to reduce the milk, because I did put a lot of milk inside, so you're gonna have to reduce that milk if you want the iced whipped coffee to be a lot stronger. But overall, yummy. That's it for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and tap that notification bell so you don't miss out on my future videos. Remember, life is totally what you make of it. Always has been, always will be. Until next time, ciao.